If you've been looking for an easy way to cook faster, eat healthier, and still enjoy that crispy texture you usually only get from a dedicated air fryer, microwave air fryer combos are one of the smartest upgrades you can add to your kitchen right now. These appliances take the speed of a microwave and combine it with the crisping power of an air fryer, giving you a single machine that can handle just about anything. And if you're someone who wants to save time, save space, or just level up your meals without a huge learning curve, this list is going to help you figure out exactly which model is right for you. If you want verified live offers, check thedetailedguide.com, where we post the freshest discounts the moment they drop. And remember, every product mentioned in this video is listed right below in the description. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best microwave air fryer combos available right now. These are picked based on performance, versatility, ease of use, and how well they deliver both fast cooking and crispy textures. Whether you live alone, cook for a family, or just want a single appliance that can replace several others, these machines can seriously transform the way you prepare your meals. HomeChef Connect Microwave Oven. Starting off at number 1 is the HomeChef Connect Microwave Oven, a model that stands out for being incredibly reliable and extremely user-friendly. This is the type of appliance that doesn't require you to read a manual for 20 minutes before using it. You can walk up to it, choose the cooking mode, and it does exactly what you expect it to do. What makes this one special is the combination of powerful microwave heating and an integrated air fry system that gives your meals that extra crispiness without taking up additional counter space. If you're someone who loves making frozen snacks like mozzarella sticks, fries, chicken tenders, or anything that benefits from a little crunch, the air fry mode handles all of that with ease. The HomeChef Connect is also great for reheating meals. Unlike standard microwaves that leave certain spots cold while overheating others, this one is designed for more even heating, which means your leftovers actually taste fresh again. The presets help simplify everything. Want to soften butter? Reheat pizza? Cook vegetables? It's one button away. And for bigger households or busy families, this model keeps things moving quickly without sacrificing quality. The combination of speed and crispiness makes it feel like you're using 2 appliances in one, and that alone saves money and counter space. For anyone who wants performance and simplicity without overthinking, the HomeChef Connect is a great way to start. GE CST10A1WSS Convection Microwave Oven. At number 2, we have the GE Convection Microwave Oven, which is perfect if you want something compact but still powerful. GE appliances are known for their reliability, and this one brings together convection heat, microwave energy, and air frying in a very efficient way. It's smaller than some of the other models on this list, but don't let that fool you. The convection fan inside does a fantastic job moving hot air around your food, which helps it brown and crisp more evenly. That means things like roasted vegetables, baked potatoes, mini pizzas, and small casseroles come out surprisingly well for such a compact machine. The air fry mode in this model is especially good for people who don't need huge portions but still want the texture that only air fryers can create. And because of its size, this GE model is a perfect fit for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and small kitchens where counter space is limited. The stainless steel exterior gives it a modern look that fits into most kitchen styles. And even though it's smaller, it's still powerful and fast enough to handle regular everyday meals. For anyone who wants something efficient, space-saving, and durable, this GE Convection Microwave Oven is a strong contender. TOSHIBA Countertop Microwave with an inbuilt air fryer. Moving on to number 3, the TOSHIBA Countertop Microwave with a built-in air fryer is one of the most versatile and balanced options on this list. TOSHIBA has a reputation for making appliances that are easy to use, dependable, and built to last, and this model checks every box. One of its biggest strengths is the huge number of preset cooking modes. This makes it perfect for anyone who wants to cook a lot of different foods without guessing cooking times or temperatures. You simply pick the preset and the microwave adjusts the settings automatically. The air fry mode in this model performs especially well for crispy foods. Whether you're making chicken wings, vegetable chips, garlic bread, or warming up leftover fries that normally get soggy, the air fry mode helps bring back that crunchy bite. The large interior also makes it great for cooking full meals instead of just small snacks. Many people appreciate how quiet it is compared to other air fryer combo units. If you live with family or roommates or enjoy late-night snacks, the quieter operation is a very practical bonus. This model is ideal for anyone who wants versatility, reliability, and a big internal capacity without needing a complex appliance. If you're just tuning in, this is our updated list of the best microwave air fryer combos. These appliances are perfect for quick meals, crispy textures, and everyday convenience. All the products mentioned in today's video are listed in the description below for easy comparison. Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 Microwave. Number 4 is the Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1, which is easily the most premium option on the list. Breville is known for beautiful, high-quality appliances, and the Combi Wave brings together microwave cooking, convection baking, and air frying better than almost any other combo appliance out there. It's built with high-end materials, the controls are intuitive, and the performance is consistently excellent. What separates this one from the others is Breville's combination cooking technology, which blends microwave speed with convection power. This lets you cook meals faster while still getting that oven-like texture on the outside. It's perfect for everything from roasting vegetables to baking biscuits to crisping up leftovers. You can air fry crispy chicken, warm up pastries, toast garlic bread, or cook full meals without switching appliances. The consistency of the heating is one of the best features of this unit. You don't get uneven hot spots or soggy centers. The stainless steel interior and exterior make it feel like a premium appliance, and the overall design is sleek enough to fit into modern kitchens effortlessly. If you want something high-end, durable, and powerful, the Breville Combi Wave is the luxury choice that delivers pro-level results. KitchenAid Over-the-Range Convection Microwave Oven. Finishing off our list at number 5 is the KitchenAid Over-the-Range Convection Microwave, which is a fantastic option if you want to free up counter space while still getting high-end features. Since it installs above your stove, it doubles as a microwave and a ventilation system, making it one of the most practical upgrades you can add to a kitchen. This KitchenAid model uses a powerful convection fan to circulate heat evenly, which helps your dishes cook more uniformly. It's perfect for air frying larger portions, roasting vegetables, baking dishes, and heating leftovers without making them soggy. The interior capacity is larger than most countertop models, which makes it ideal for families or anyone who cooks bigger meals. If you're replacing an old over-the-range microwave, upgrading to a model that includes convection and air frying is a huge step forward in terms of what you can cook and how it tastes. This model also helps keep your kitchen cleaner by improving ventilation, reducing smoke and steam when cooking on the stove. It's a practical, long-term upgrade that gives you better cooking performance and a more organized kitchen. And that wraps up our list of the best microwave air fryer combos available right now. These appliances are perfect for quick meals, crispy textures, and the convenience of multiple cooking methods in a single device. Since deals change fast, now is a great time to explore your options if you're planning on upgrading your kitchen. All the products from today's video are listed in the description below. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quick, crispy meals.